Moving on, we are first. One.
Good evening, Music Matters Live. I am Ace.
Hello, good evening. I am Jay. Hi, Singapore. I'm Jason.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Alpha.
What's up, Singapore? My name is Max. Hi, everyone. I'm Joker, and together we are first. One. Hello, guys.
Yeah. Now, before we start, this night is very special to us. That's why the first song that we chose to perform is actually our song, which made the #1 spot at the US Billboard Hot Trending Songs list. And it's entitled Shout Out. We chose this song as the opening number because Music Matters Live matters most to us. And of course, Singapore does as well. And before we move on, I'd like to personally thank, of course, our 4-1 back in the Philippines and the newly formed 4-1 Singapore. Make some noise! Yes, and of course, this wouldn't be possible if not for the partner sponsors and all those responsible for this event. MML Branded, DLM, Noble Life, B1 Entertainment, BSC, Black Star Entertainment, and Warner Music Group, and all those responsible for this event. We love you guys so much. Thank you very much.
And now, we wouldn't want to keep you waiting. So for our next performance, this song talks about mapping our own vibe and also reminding us to look back and find our way to our roots. So, this is MYV!
Singapore, are you ready? I can't hear you, are you ready? Let's go. We love you.
This time in each day, say I get my face someday, yeah. Hatulan ko ay ang kapatin sa palat ko na bituin. Pero pag nagugulo ang isip sa gusto, ano ba ang hanap ko? My mind is spinning out of control. Teka lang ba kung saan ka papunta? Kailangan mo na ba ba nawawala ng gan? I gotta know where I'm coming from, so I can make a mark and vibe where I belong. Hanapin na sarili, map your vibe. Mga body by my side. Ano mga ba, just map your vibe. Enjoy the ride, day and night. Map your vibe, walang vibe. Na-na, di alam saan wala. So don't be scared, cause map your vibe. Let's make things right. I know what I'm making. Kailangan na lang mapanawalan ng gato. I gotta know where I am coming from, so I can make a mark and vibe where I belong. Hanapin ang sarili, map your vibe. Paglakbay, ipapasay. Ano mga ba, just map your vibe. Enjoy the ride, day and night. Map your vibe, walang vibe. Na-na, di alam saan nagmula. So don't be scared, just map your vibe. Inside, suga lang ang tibok ng puso na sumisigaw.
Yeah.
And that's MYV. We hope you enjoyed the performance. And we also want to thank the people who made it possible this song to perform here at the SG. Of course, thank you so much, Philippine Embassy in Singapore, Centro Rizal, NCCA, and AIJC. Thank you so much.
Yes, and in the Philippines, we're also part of the Warner Music family. And the other day, we just did a collab together with a huge shout out to our brothers from Japan, Psychic Fever, yeah, Good Love, and also Wolf Howl Harmony. Yeah. Wait, Max. To insert something about Psychic Fever and Wolf Howl Harmony, we said a few Japanese words to them that we'd like to say to our Japanese friends right here. Zutto zutto aishiteru yo. Yeah. So, again, thank you so much, Psychic Fever, and also Wolf Howl Harmony. Your style is so cool. Yes. So, and also, thank you so much to Warner Singapore. Without you guys, this wouldn't happen. So, thank you so much po. Salamat po. And if you're liking our performances so far, please do follow us on our all social media platforms. Only at Honesty ONE Official. Do we have Korean friends here? Korean friends?
Yes.
Are there any Korean friends? Raise your hands.
Yes,
Any?
no?
If any. 뭐 응원해주셔서 너무 감사하고요. 사랑합니다. 앞으로도 열심히 수고하겠습니다. Yeah, like he said. I'm just stalling because I want to see your faces, guys.
Our leader name is Trilingual.
Actually, I also know the language of love.
Language of love.
Who here knows the language of love?
Yeah.
More than us, someone here knows the language of love.
Yeah, I think we have enough rest right now, and I think you're ready for our next performance. And this song, yeah, this is someone very special for you guys because I'm seeing right now there's a lot of new 4-1s here, which is our fans. 4-1 Singapore, thank you for coming. And yeah, such a privilege and honor to be in the front of you guys. And our next song is all about love. It's all about deep connection. It's all about warm hugs and hot chocolates in the morning. And since this song is like somewhat like Christmas, we hope that you enjoy this performance with us because it's Burmans and the Christmas is near. So this song is about love. Yeah, sorry. So this song is Wala Nang Iba.
Hope you guys liked it.
Hold on.
Hold up. What's the hold up?
Singapore. How you
Yeah.
guys doing?
Singapore, how you guys doing?
Thank you guys. Thank you.
We're ready, let's go.
Hey!
Again, I am Jay.
I'm Joker.
I'm Jason, and together we are First One.
Thank you.
See you again.
Thank you so much, Sid.
First One.